Hey, what is up guys, Hassan here. So in this video we'll take a closer look at the Jisulife neckfan Pro1. So stay tuned to discover its features, performance and why it is must have for staying cool and comfortable this summer. Now let's open the box and see what it looks like. So we have the fan itself, and inside the box we have USB Type-C cable, well, it is a portable neck fan. It is lightweight and comfortable. We have the switch to turn it on, and on the other side we have the knob to adjust the speed of the fan. Here we have the port to plug it in to charge it. Now let's talk about its features. The neck fan is equipped with a safety chip from the Pro series, which implies that it incorporates advanced safety feature mechanism to protect the user during operation. Unlike the traditional fans that have the visible blades, this neck fan is bladeless. This bladeless design eliminates the risk of the accidental contact with the spinning blades, making it safer especially for the children and elderly. The fan has an air inlet located on the back, which means it draws air from the behind rather than from the front. This design helps prevent object or hair from getting caught in the fan. The neck fan is designed to be worn around the neck, allowing hands-free operation. This feature allows the user to have their hands free for other tasks while enjoying a cooling blaze. The neck fan is equipped with a twin-turbo brushless motor. It generates a strong power, meaning it can produce a significant airflow to produce a cooling effect. Due to strong wind power generated by the twin-turbo brushless motor, the neck fan is capable of providing instant cooling. As soon as you turn it on, you can feel the airflow cooling you down. This immediate cooling effect is beneficial, especially during hot summer days when you need a quick relief from the heat. The neck fan can be adjusted to different speeds using an infinitely adjustable knob. It allows you to adjust the fan speed ranging from 1 to 100. This level of adjustability provides precise control over the overflow and allows you to choose the desired cooling intensity. The neck fan features an LED display that shows current air speed and the remaining battery life. This display allows you to have a real-time visibility into the fan setting and power status. By knowing the current air speed, you can adjust it to your preferred level of airflow. The neck fan is equipped with the 5000 mAh battery, and with this 5000 mAh battery, the fan can provide up to 17 hours of cooling. It is a personal fan suitable for various settings such as outdoor activities, office work, gym sessions, travel and even housework. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll be sure to include the product link in the description. Stay tuned for more exciting content and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.